Today we'll be learning about how to log in into Wise app account. First of all, you need to open the web browser on your device. Then on the web address bar, you need to type in wise.com and press enter on the keyboard. You'll be taken to the first interface or the first site of the Wise application. Then on the upper right corner, you can see the login button. You need to click on login button and the login page will appear where you need to enter your email address followed by the password. If you forgot your password, then click on toggle login in and you can easily fix the problem. Or else you can also log in with Google, Facebook or your Apple ID. If you are new to Wise, then you can click on the sign up button and easily sign up to your Wise. After you enter all the credentials, you need to click on login button and you can easily log into your Wise account. So Wise is formerly known as TransferWise, which is also a financial technology company that provides online money transfer services. Users can send money internationally, hold multiple currencies in their accounts, and even get a deposit card to spend money abroad. So, in this way, you can easily log in into Wise app account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then hit the like button, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.